Hey guys, Silver Seeker here with another video, guys. Today we're talking about the difference between Type 1 and Type 2 Buffalo Nickels. Now, if you don't know, the Buffalo Nickel first came out in 1913, and the Type 1 was where, on the reverse of the coin, the buffalo is standing on a hill. And on the Type 1 of the coin, the hill had the word 5 cents printed on it. Well, that stuck out really far, and as a result, wore off really quick. And so a Type 1 1913 Buffalo Nickel that's in really good shape, especially showing the 5 cents on top of the hill really well, like it's uncirculated, is actually worth a little bit of money because it wore so fast. I'm going to show you the difference really quick. So what we're looking at right now under the scope, this is a Type 2. So in 13, it wasn't even done with the print run yet, and they switched over to a Type 2 where they actually brought the field, and I'll show you right here. They brought the field down, and it was actually sunk in, if you will. See it right there? And the reason they did that was, again, so that the word 5 cents wouldn't just wear off the coin almost instantaneously. Now, if you look at the front of a Buffalo Nickel, this is not a 13 Type 2. This is a 37. But you can still see there's a very high point on the coin, 1937, and this is almost always the first thing that wears off of a Buffalo Nickel. In fact, in the previous video where we opened a roll of nickels and we found that Buffalo Nickel that we'll be giving away in the stream, you could see that the 1 in the 9 room was completely worn flat, which is the situation with this one. Now we're going to take a look here at a Type 1, and I want to be gentle with this because this is actually in really good shape. Ooh, I did not want to drop it. Alright, so what we have here is a 1913 Type 1. It's roughly about fine plus 2 and XF. You can see the front of it's pretty much identical, but if we look on the reverse, I have to turn that over. I don't want it scratching against the metal on my coin scope, but if you turn it over, you can see that the ground is completely raised at 5 cents. This is a 13D actually. See how the ground is completely raised right there? The reason for that is that's originally how it was, and the reason that they went to Type 2 is because that raised right, and the mint mark especially, like it would wear off so quick, and that was a problem, and that's why they went to the Type 2 really quick. So a 13 Type 2 is more valuable than a Type 1 because they minted way less, but a really nice Type 1 13 is worth a good amount of money. This coin here is probably worth about $30 or $35 in the condition that it's in. So I just wanted to show you the difference. That's about it. Let's see if we can get these side by side under the scope so you can kind of see them side by side here. I could zoom out, but I'd rather stay zoomed in and you can see the difference. There we go. So you see the difference right here with the raised ground as opposed to the sunk in, if you will. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to bring you that really quick video, the difference between Type 1 and Type 2 Buffalo Nickels. If you were ever wondering, now you know. And we will talk to you in the very next video, guys. Thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe.